Anya, what are you doing?
I'm sifting the flour.
And what are you doing, Neo?
Whisking the egg and the sugar.
I'm baking something for Cap. So if Cap from another universe can hear this is for you.
Cap for the win. Mag-Fortnite ka pa dyan, ha? Fortnite on the side.
Imagine Thor having a cooking show.
Neo, hindi nakita yung mata mo. Taas mo yung toko.
Imagine Thor having an Italian cooking show.
Okay, what's next, ate?
I'm massaging the mixture.
You're massaging the mixture. You can massage it until crumbly. Like Parmesan cheese. Oh, like Parmesan, your favorite, ate.
Yeah.
Okay, that's enough. You can add the mixture now. The milk mixture. Okay, tell me what's happening, Anya.
Neo's being makulit. Neo, can you get cranberries?
Oh yeah.
Probably with the...
Can we use the same mixer?
No, for this one, no. You can use your hands, actually. You want to use your hands, Anya?
I think it's more effective. Neo, it's more. Okay, for the cranberries, for the milk.
As you can see, the scone recipe is quite easy to do. Pangbata talaga. Kaya why don't you try it mga mommy sa inyong mga bahay? It will be fun.
Don't do
Probably you
it.
can make 6.
Do it harder.
6. Mabilis lang. Yes. 15 minutes again.
The dough
After
first.
15 minutes,
Wait, do we
ayan,
move the
the
dough?
refrigerate.
Do we, ano na? Do we...
Ask Chef Man there.
Come here. We can get your cookie sheet here. Under.
Be careful.
Neo, get your
Get your cookie sheet muna. Get your cookie sheet.
Kamayin mo na.
under. Neo.
Get one.
Here, oh. Okay.
You can work on this. Mommies unite. Mga proud mommies kami.
Hold up. Neo, I'm not yet done. I need to put all the more.
Di ba sabi ka hindi mo flour? My fingers.
Wagas ang antok.
Wait. Wait. Neo, I will go California.
Fiesta time kasi. Shake things. Put some flour. You can put some. Put some. It won't stick. Put some flour so it won't stick. There's another cutter there.
Fuck. Wag sa gitna, wag sa gitna. Dito sa side.
Di ba yung maliit? Para marami.
You can wait for them if you want. Nice.
Neo!
Neo and Anya scones. Looks good.
At habang busy ang dalawa na nagbe-bake ng blueberry muffin, titikman ko na ang kanilang scones. Yun, oh. Looks good. Matagal ko nang gusto mag-bake ng scones, pero today ko lang din nalaman kung paano mag-bake ng scones. Sarap. Really good. Thanks, Chef. Ngayon marunong na sila mag-bake ng scones. Tagal ko nang gusto matutong mag-bake. Ngayon alam ko na rin. Yes. Thanks, CCA. Thanks, CCA. I like my scones with strawberry jam, light cream, and hot tea.
So here's the scones we bake. Cup. So this one for you, but the rest is for you.
Thank you, ate. Ito rin yung kinagat ko kanina.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
this is for
Thanks.
you, Antonia.
Hi guys, Nia is doing baking class today. He's making strawberry cheesecake, chocolate cake with ganache, and cupcakes. We're just on a break. It's really so nice to see when your kids are having fun, especially Nia, whose passion at this age is baking. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you had fun. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel to your social media, especially to your foodie and baker friends and the kids too. Well, I'll see you in the next vlogs.